Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to verify a Western Union account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in westernunion.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Western Union if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top right corner, we have these three lines where you can go and check out your history, settings, payments, etc. And the logout button in the top right corner. In the middle, we have the send money online where you can go and send your money online, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and verify Western Union account. So go to the Western Union website or open the Western Union mobile app as I told you in the start of the video. Start a money transfer of a significant amount, for example, 1,000 euros or more. Enter the required details and select confirm your details on the complete your profile page. Choose a government issued ID to upload. Enter its details and select next. You may need to upload your credit or debit card details as proof of funds. Review your transfer details and select send. Western Union will verify your identity, which may take up to 30 minutes or more. Alternatively, you can verify your identity through a video chat by selecting the profile icon in the top right corner, choosing Start Verification Now, and following the instructions. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.